So, went to the restroom, caught the cat playing with this, and he is still hanging on to the ear swab. He had blood all over his face, and the little dude decided he was gonna take a bite out of the ear swab. Now he won't let go. He's terrified. This dude will not let go. Watch. I'm showing you in the shadow. He won't let go. Watch. I'm yanking at it, and he won't let go. But that is his blood. I don't know where he's been bitten, but he must have been traumatized. He was just sitting there while the cat's playing with him, giving care in the world. And I thought he was going to run away when I caught him. But nope, he just sat there. He's like, okay, whatever. He's a big guy, too. And very, very cranky. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. But his head's turning every time I do this. Anyways, bye.